introduce ourselves. My name is Arya Wahyu.
My name is Leni Cornelia. My name is Fafa Nuryani. My name is Alivia Nur Wasilah.
And today we are gonna teach you guys how to make
Ice Kopyor.
and let's check this out. Turn on the stove and boils 1,600 cc of water until it boils.
Then add 2 sachets of jelly. Stir it occasionally. Add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Next, take the ice cube out of the freeze.
Then put ice in.
Pour the jelly in the teapot and mix until it well.